Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad SHAHMI bin RAMLI and my method number is 1102. Today I want to talk about the objective. The objective is to giant maximum dry density value and optimum humidity value of the certain soil sample that has been give a standard compaction.
Hello and Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Muhammad IMRAN Muhammad. My method number is 10DKA19F1106. Today I will talk about theory about the soil, about the sand displacement test. Okay, the dry density of the compacted soil or pavement material is a common measure of the amount of the compaction achieved during the construction. Knowing the field density and field moisture content, the dry sand density is calculated. Therefore, field density test is important as a field control test for the compaction of soil or any other pavement layer. The basic principle of sand displacement method is to measure the in situ volume of the hole from which the material was excavated from the weight of sand with known density filling in the hole. The in situ density of a material is given by the weight of the excavated material divided by the in situ volume. I think that's all for me. The other will continue by my my team member.
Hello, my name is NOOR HAZIQ bin FUAD. My metric number 01DKA19F1097. In this slide, I want to talk about apparatus of sand displacement experiment. Okay, the apparatus is one pumping cylinder, second the weight balance, next oven, next metal tray with a 100 millimeter hole in center, and next calibration container, and the last is a metal tray. Right, that's all.
Okay, first step is prepare all the material needed for the experiment. Take the weight of sand and sand pouring cylinder before pouring, leaving a gap of 10 mm from the top. Record the data into your data collection table. Place the metal tray with a central on-level surface and excavate a hole in a soil in a pavement layer through the opening in the tray with a depth of 150 mm. Collect all the excavated material carefully in a metal tray and record its weight. Place the sand pouring cylinder directly over the excavated hole and allow the sand to turn around into a hole by opening the shuttle or cylinder. Measure the moisture content of the soil by speedly moisture meter. Okay, hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is AMIRUL. Now we are talking about the data for sand displacement. Okay, as you can see, the table 1 is about a bulk density of sand. Okay, the weight of sand and cylinder is 7,816, and the weight of sand to fill up the cone is 913. So, and the weight of sand and cylinder after pouring into a cone and calibration container 1100. Okay, to get a weight of sand filled with calibration container using a formula W1 minus W2 minus W3. Okay, we get 5813, and volume of calibration container or V2 is 1.955 times 10 power negative 3. Okay, for the bulk density of sand is 2982.1. Okay, let's go to the next data. Okay, the second data is about dry density of excavate soil. Okay, the first we have a weight of soil from excavate hole W equal 6415, and weight of sand with a cylinder W1 equal 7319, and weight of sand of cylinder after powering into the excavate hole and cone, or we calling a W4, is 2100, and weight of sand after fulfill the cone and excavate hole is calculate with W1 minus W4 minus W2. The answer we get 4316, and for the volume of sand that fill the excavate hole is equal 1.462, and bulk density of wet excavate soil equal 4.412, and moisture content in a percent is 99.9%, and dry density of the excavate soil is 2.65. Okay, and for the last data is about weight moisture content. Weight, first one we have weight of container, we have 9.5, 13.3, and 14.9, and the weight of container plus a wet soil equal 39.3, and the second is 45.1, and the last one is 45.6, and the weight of a container with a dry soil equal 2.75, and the second is 32.2, and the last one is 33.4. Okay, for the weight of water we are using M2 minus M3. Okay, for the first one we have 11.8, and second one is 12.9 and 12.2. Okay, for the weight of dry soil we have 18, 18.9, and 18.5. And for the last one is a moisture content is 95.6, 98.3, and 95.9. And we get the average of moisture content is 66.6%. Okay, I think that's all from the sand displacement. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.